Hello student, good morning. In previous video, we have seen the graph of four cities. Which type of four cities? Manas, Belem, Porto Alegre and Rio de Janeiro. So today we will study the next portion of this fourth lesson. Which fourth lesson? Climate. Because of the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variation in climate. So due to the latitudinal extent of Brazil, okay, there is a latitudinal extent of Brazil, there is a variation in the Brazil country. In our country also there is a variation, okay, means there is difference. In some part of Brazil there is a high temperature, in some part of there is a low temperature. Okay. We have seen especially in the you can say north side or southeast side there is a high temperature, and in the, you can say in the east as well as southeast there is a low temperature. So there is a variation in climate. For example, near the equator is hot. Equator passes through the Brazil. So all of you know those countries are near the equator. Okay, there is a hot or very high temperature, and near the tropic, or we can say while temperature of type of climate is found near Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Cancer, means both Tropic of Cancer as well as equator passes through the Brazil. And you know that in our country, okay, Tropic of Cancer passes through in our country. What? Tropic of Cancer. Okay, but in the Brazil, Tropic of Capricorn. क्या गया वहाँ से? Tropic of Capricorn and equator. That's why, okay, those areas near equator, those areas near the equator, okay, there is very hot, very high temperature. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. In the previous video also we have seen Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Just as in our India we get rainfall from, okay, southwest monsoon wind, just like in Brazil, okay, they get southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Part of the Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. So okay, those are the Brazilian highlands. You know that there are two main highlands, Brazilian highlands, okay, and Guiana highlands. Okay, they extend up to northern coast. तो कहाँ तक फैले हुए हैं? Northern coast, the north coast line of Brazil. The escarpment act as obstruction to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. So, okay, there are escarpment. Escarpment is, you can say, type of hill, okay, hill or highlands. That's why these escarpment are obstruction or रुकावट बनते हैं. Means those wind coming from the northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds. That's why that wind cannot, you can cross the escarpment. That's why they receive more rainfall there, and in the opposite side of escarpment, okay, they receive very low rainfall. So coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. That's why those area near the coastal area, means northeast and south, okay, they receive very more rainfall because near the coastal area, okay, if you see there is a Brazilian highlands and Guiana highlands, okay, that's why they receive very more rainfall in the coastal regions. See carefully what I am telling you is due to the obstruction of escarpment. Escarpment means hill, type of hill. Due to the okay, hill they cannot cross. वो जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड्स है और साउथ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड्स है, ओके, वो जो स्क्रैपमेंट है, ओके, उसको वहीं पे वो रुकावट बनता है और जो विंड्स है उसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वो क्रॉस नहीं कर पाते. ऐसा है उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में बारिश बहुत कम होती है. सो बियॉन्ड द हाईलैंड्स द इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस विंड्स गेट रिड्यूस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई बियॉन्ड आर द अपोजिट side of highlands are escarpment, they receive their very less rainfall, very low rainfall. As a result, the rainfall is very minimal. उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, बारिश बहुत कम होती है. एंड दिस रीजन इज रेन शैडो रीजन. दैट्स व्हाई दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज रेन शैडो एरिया. एंड दिस रीजन इज कॉल्ड ड्रॉट quadrilateral. And in Brazil, that region is called as drought quadrilateral. Means which region? Rain shadow area, because they are receive very low, very you can say less rainfall due to the highlands, due to the escarpment, because those winds coming from the northeast winds, southeast wind, okay, they cannot cross, means they cannot cross the highlands and escarpment. That's why they receive more rainfall near the coastal regions, okay, and due to the obstructions, okay, they receive very less rainfall, okay, in the opposite directions of highlands or beyond the highland. That's why there is a very minimum or very low rainfall, and that area is called as rain shadow area. And in Brazil, that area is called as drought quadrilateral area. So considering the temperature in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is very hot, okay. If we will see about the temperature, the northern part of the Brazil, okay, there is a hot temperature. The northern side, okay, there is a hot temperature, okay, while temperature in the southern part, you have seen in the northern side of the Brazil there is very hot temperature, and in the south side, okay, southern part are comparatively lower. In the comparison of north side, in the south side there is very low temperature, okay. We will see there is a 18 degrees Celsius, and in the north side there is a 28 degrees Celsius temperature is there in the Brazil. Seasonal variations are found in the pattern, and there is also seasonal variations, means according to the seasons, okay, temperature, rainfall, okay, all these change, and means in different part of the different area in the Brazil. मतलब ब्राज़ील का ओके जो एरिया है अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीजन्स, ओके, दे चेंज देयर यू कैन से टेम्परेचर, रेनफॉल. नियर द इक्वेटर एट ब्राज़ीलियन कोस्ट टेम्परेचर डज नॉट very much, and we have seen those areas near the equator line, okay, there is very high, very hot temperature, okay, there is no variations, okay. Those areas near the equator, okay, there is very hot, very high temperature, okay, there is no variations. So okay, so dear students, now we will see next portion of this lesson, okay. In the coastal region near the equator in Brazil, difference in the temperature are negligible, okay. So in the near the equator you have seen very hot, very low, very high temperature, but in the coastal region near the equator in Brazil, difference in temperature are negligible. But near the equator and the coastal region, okay, there is some time or some part of the Brazil there is a difference, negligible, okay. The winds move in the vertical directions in this region, and the winds move vertical directions. How they move? In the vertical directions, okay. In the coastal regions, similarly, the convergence zones of trade winds is weak here. That's why vertical line, okay, not horizontal, vertical. That's why the winds, trade winds is weak here. इसलिए जो ट्रेड विंड्स वहाँ से बहते हैं, ओके, साउथ ईस्ट साइड से, वो कैसे होते हैं, वीक हो जाते हैं. एज ए रिडल्स साइक्लोन्स आर नॉट फॉर्म्स, इसलिए वहाँ पे किसी भी तरह का साइक्लोन्स फॉर्म नहीं होता. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि अपने इंडिया में कई तरह के साइक्लोन्स आ जाते हैं कभी कभी, ओके. एंड ड्यू टू द साइक्लोन्स वी फेसेस मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स, ओके. वी लॉस ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज आल्सो समटाइम्स, ओके. एंड समटाइम्स we found many more, okay, man's, okay, human beings lost their lives also. So that is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coast of Brazil. इसलिए वो जो कोस्टल एरिया है ब्राज़ील का, वहाँ पे रेयरली, मतलब कभी कभी एक आध बार, ओके, वहाँ पे साइक्लोन का फॉर्म, साइक्लोन हो जाते. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो साइक्लोन फॉर्म because the trade winds, okay, move vertically. कैसे बहते हो, vertically, okay, in the sky. That's why they does not form cyclone. And the near the equator and in the coastal regions we have seen there is a, you can say, no means there is, you can say, sometimes difference in the part of the Brazil, those area is near the equator. Okay, in this way dear students, okay, we have seen this information. Next information we will see next video. Thank you.